Hi friends, thank you for joining me today. We're going to learn colors and numbers and even some fun farm animals. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, I have this cool set of barns with different numbers, different farm animals and colors. So you're going to help me guess the colors, the number, and then we'll go over what animal is inside. So let's get started. So here we have what color barn? Can you guess what color this is? It is the color green. Great job. This is a green barn. And the green barn has the number 1. The number 1 on it. So the green barn is barn number 1. Great job. Do you want me to open the barn? Yeah? Okay. So if you want me to open the barn, you have to say open. Can you say open with me? Great job. Open. All right, so let's open the green barn. Oh, wow, there's an animal inside. Can you guess which animal this is? Right, it's a green frog. Great job. It's a frog. Can you guess what sound a frog makes? Ribbit. You're right. A frog says ribbit and it hops. All right, well, let's put the frog back into the green barn and we'll play with him later. Great job. So now that we're done with barn number 1, let's go to the next barn. All right, the next barn is barn number 2. Great job. Barn number 2. It has the number 2 on it. And what color is barn number 2? That's right. It's yellow. You're so smart. Great job. It's a yellow barn. All right. Do you want me to open the yellow barn? Yeah? All right. You have to say open. Ready? Open. Great job. I'm going to open the yellow barn and let's see what's inside. It is a yellow duck. That's right, a yellow duck. And what sound does a duck make? Quack, 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 quack. Great job. The yellow duck says quack. Well, we're going to put the duck back in its yellow barn and we'll play with him later. So the yellow barn has a number 2 on it and it had a yellow duck. So let's go to the next barn. If the yellow barn was number 2, what number is on the teal barn? That's right, 3. So this color is teal. And inside is a special animal. Do you want to see what's inside? Yeah, me too. All right, so we have to say open. Can you say open with me? Open. Great job. So the number 3 barn is the color teal. And inside of it is a sheep. Great job. It's a sheep. And he has little teal color boots and mittens on. All right, and do you know what sound a sheep makes? Bah, great job. All right, well, we're going to put the sheep back in his teal barn and we'll visit him later. You guys are doing great. So we did the green barn with the number 1 on it. We have the yellow barn with the number 2 on it. We have the teal barn with the number 3 on it. So what number comes after 3? It is number 4. That's right. So this is the number 4 barn. And can you guess what color it is? You can. It's pink. You're right. Great job. It's a pink barn. So the number 4 barn is the color pink. Do you want to see what's inside the pink barn? Yeah, me too. Okay, well, let's say open. Open. Great job. All right, so let's open the pink barn. And inside is a pink pig. Great job. It's a pink pig. And what noise does a pig make? Oink, 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 oink. That's right. A pig goes oink. All right, let's put the pink pig back in its pink barn. And this barn is number 4 with the color pink. You guys are doing so great knowing your numbers and colors. All right, friends. So we just finished with barn number 4. Can you guess which barn number this is? That's right. It's number 5. The number 5 barn is what color? Yes, it's the color purple. Great job. Do you want to see what's inside of the purple barn? Yes, me too. All right, let's say open. Open. And we open the barn. And look what's inside. It is a rabbit. Yes, it's a bunny rabbit. Oh, look at it. And it has little purple feet. And bunnies hop, hop, hop. So we're going to hop this bunny back into his purple farm. And we'll visit the bunny later. Great job. So we just found a bunny inside the number 5 barn, which is the color purple. You're doing such a great job. All right. So we just finished with number 5. So the next number is number 6. That's right, number 6. So here we have barn number 6. Do you know what color this is? Yes, it's the color orange. Do you want me to open the orange barn to see what's inside? I know you do. I want to open it too. So let's open it together. Say open. Open. Great job. Let's go ahead and open it. And when we open it, we have a orange donkey. This is a donkey. Yes, an orange donkey. He's so cute. All right. Well, we're going to play with the orange donkey later. But for now, we're going to put the orange donkey back in his barn. So in the number 6 barn, which is the color orange, we found an orange donkey. All right. Let's put him back. And we'll see him later. But let's go to the next barn. Do you know what number this is? It's the number 7. Yes, number 7. So what color is the number 7 barn? Red. That's right. It's the color red. You're doing such an awesome job. Do you want me to open the red barn? Yes, so say open. Open. And look what I found in the red barn. It's a cat. And it has red ears and red feet and red paws. Isn't it a cute cat? I think so too. All right, well, we'll play with the cat later. Let's put the cat back in the barn. And so we found a cat in the red barn that has a 7 on it. So the number 7 barn is the color red. So now that we finished barn number 7, we're going to bring out the next barn. What number barn is this? Great job. It's barn number 8. And can you guess what color barn number 8 is? It's the color gray, right? And do you want to see what's inside of the gray barn? Yes. All right. Let's say open. Open. Good job. All right, so we're opening the gray barn. And look what's inside. It's a cow. Cow. Good job. Do you know what sound a cow makes? Moo. Moo. A cow goes moo. All right, let's put the cow back in the gray barn and we'll play with him later. All right, so the gray barn has a cow inside of it. The number 8 barn is gray and it has a cow inside of it. How cool is that? Okay, so let's go to the next barn. Do you know what number this barn is? Yes, barn number 9. And what color is barn number 9? Blue. Yes, barn number 9 is blue. And do you want me to see what's inside of the blue barn? Yes, you do. All right, let's say open. Open. We opened the blue barn and look what's inside. It's a dog. Roof, 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 roof. It's a dog. A blue dog was inside of the blue barn. How adorable. Well, we're going to all woof together like a dog. Roof, roof, roof. Good job. Let's put the dog back in his barn and we'll play with him later. So we found a blue dog inside of the blue barn. The number 9 barn is blue. How cool is that? And last but not least is the number 10 barn. Right, the number 10. Good job. Do you know what color the number 10 barn is? Brown. Yes, this is a brown barn and it's the number 10. So the number 10 barn is the color brown. Do you want to see what's inside of the brown barn? Yes. And what do you have to say? Open. That's right. Let's say it together. Open. Great job. Let's open the barn. And what's inside of the brown barn? It's a brown horse. And what sound does a horse make? Neigh. Exactly. Horses go neigh. Good job. So we found a brown horse inside of the brown barn. Whoa. So let's put the brown horse back in the barn and we'll play with him later. So the number 10 barn is the color brown and it had a brown horse in it. The number 10 barn is the color brown and it had a brown horse in it. Great job. So let's go back over the colors and numbers of the barns really quickly, just to recap all the fun we just had, right? So we have the number 1 barn, which is the color green. And inside of it, we found a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Next, we have the yellow barn, which is the number 2 on it. Good job. And inside of that, we found a ducky. And duckies go quack, quack, quack. And next, in the number 3 barn, which is the color teal, we found a sheep. And sheep go baa. That's right. Sheep go baa. And the number 4 barn is the color pink. And we found a pink pig. And pigs go oink, 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 oink. We found a pink pig. The number 5 barn, number 5, is purple. And inside of the purple barn, we found a rabbit. A little bunny going hop, hop, hop. We did. Great job. We're already at number 6. The number 6 barn is the color orange. Inside of the orange barn, we found an orange donkey. An orange donkey inside of the number 6 barn. Number 7 barn was the color red. And inside of the red barn, we found a cat. Meow. What noise the cat make? Meow. All right, so we're going to put the cat back in the red barn, which is the number 7 barn. And for number 8, the number 8 barn was the color gray. Inside of the gray barn, we found a cow. Moo, cow. Inside of the gray barn with the number 8 on it. And the number 9 barn, number 9, is the color blue. The color of this barn is blue. When we opened it, we found a blue dog. Roof, roof. A blue dog inside of the blue barn. And the last barn, the number 10 barn, number 10, is the color brown. And we found a brown horse in it. And the horse goes, neigh. A horse goes, neigh. And that is all of the barn animals. Thank you, friends, for joining me in counting and learning the colors and also learning some farm animals. Today was so much fun. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.